Hi guys, it's Jamie from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5418P. This is a 2024 Ford F-350 regular cab flat deck, 94K. Nice sharp looking chrome front end on it. This is a regular cab with a 12-foot deck. It does have the optional 7.3 liter as well, which is awesome. These 7.3s were kind of put out really to compete with the diesel. So they do have plenty of power, they're great on fuel, and they've definitely been a big hit. Out back, we've got a 12-foot long by 8-foot wide flat deck. It's big enough for a pallet of fertilizer, pallet of seed, toolbox, welder, whatever else you might need on the farm. It's also big enough for some skid steer attachments, whether that be, buckets or forks or sweepers. With the 7.3 and the 110 dually, you have enough jam to also lug around those skid steers, mini hose, different things like that. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and Bluetooth. And there's also some auxiliary switches mounted up above to run things like beacon lights, buggy whips, slip tanks, things like that. So nicely outfitted truck. Something like this again works really well in the construction industry, on the farm, for a courier, or just a general delivery truck. Having a regular cab with a nice big 12-foot deck would be a great addition to anybody's fleet. Again, stock number 5418, a 2024 Ford F-350.